Needs of social control. First need, re-establishing the old social system. Second, regulation of individual social behavior. 3. Obedience to social decisions. 4. To establish social unity. 5. To bring solidarity. 6. To bring conformity in society. 7. To provide social sanction. 8. To check cultural maladjustment. Detail going on. First, re-establishing the old social system. The main need of the social control is to keep the existing order intact. In other words, it is the desire of the society to make its member to live in manner in which their forefathers have been living. Although enforcement of the old order in a changing society may delay social progresses, yet it is necessary to maintain continuity and uniformity in society. Second, regulation of individual social behavior. Social control is necessary in order to regulate the individual behavior in accordance with the social objectives and social values. This helps to maintain the social order. Unless the individuals live up to the agreed norms of conduct and unless their self-seeking impulses are subjected to the welfare of the whole, it would be quite difficult to maintain social organization effectively. Hence, social control is necessary for the society in order to exist and progress. Three, obedience to social decisions. Society takes certain decisions. These decisions are taken in order to maintain and uphold the values of the society. Through social control, attempt is made to get the social decision obeyed. 4. To establish social unity. Unity is not possible without social control. Social control regulates the behavior of individuals in accordance with established norms, which brings uniformity of behavior and bring unity among the individuals. 5. To bring solidarity. Social control is to create the feeling of solidarity in the minds of people. In the competitive world, the weaker group may be exploited by the stronger group, or equally powerful groups may clash among themselves. This affects the harmony and order. Some groups may develop antisocial attitudes and pose danger to the organization of the society. Therefore, there is necessity for the different groups and institutions. 6. To bring conformity in the society. Social control is intended to bring about uniformity in the behavior of the individual members of the society and to bring about different types of conformities in their societies. 7. To provide social sanction. Any marked deviation from the accepted norms is considered a threat to the welfare of the group as a whole. Hence, sanctions are used by the group to control the behavior of the individuals. 8. To check cultural maladjustment. Society is continuously undergoing changes. The individual has to adjust his behavior according to changes taking place in this society. But all the individuals cannot adjust themselves to new situations. Some may become deviants. Thus, social control is necessary to check maladjustment of individuals. No doubt, social control is needed to prevent the society from disintegration. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.